It's hard to compete with building the world's fastest airliner. So we felt our building needed to reflect the same kind of efficiency that we expect out of our aircraft.
The earlier you put sustainability in the forefront, the greater benefits you're going to have. Salas O'Brien provided LEED consulting services, energy modeling services, and commissioning services. Third-party certifications like LEED go beyond marketing. They provide credibility for companies that incorporate sustainability strategies into their overall design.
Energy modeling and commissioning allow the product team to make informed decisions early on and establish energy conservation measures to help verify the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems were installed as intended.
Everything from the selection of materials to the disposal of waste, even down to how we choose to maintain the facility. This building will be 40% more energy efficient than any other building doing this kind of assembly work.
BOOM was a great client to work with. They provided their construction schedule early on to align with their schedule related to our production work.
Working with the BOOM Supersonic team was a great experience from the start. They came to the table early on with sustainability in mind. They were open and receptive to our sustainability strategies.
We were able to meet all of our goals with this building, from a budgetary standpoint, from a size standpoint, its capability, and getting our LEED certification. The effort and the teamwork from the designers, the builders, from the Salas O'Brien team, and from our own BOOM team are what make me most proud.